Oh, guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm checking in real quick because it's about 2-3 o'clock, and right now I'm in Target. I'm getting my niece's birthday gift because today her party, literally like in and out. I'm about to grab this and then I'm about to go back home, and we're getting ready to literally leave out. So I'm just about to grab her gift real quick and check back in a little bit later.
It's your birthday and you know it, clap your hands. If it's your birthday and you know it, clap your hands. If it's your birthday and you know it, it's your birthday and you know it, clap your hands.
I don't even remember the last time I've been to Safari Land, G. But it be busting. They got like rides, little arcade games. I don't know what else, but that's all I remember. The decorations are so cute. Aww. Look at it. Okay, y'all, these decorations. She has them on a theme party. Because if y'all look at my niece, if she was to be a character, she would definitely be Moana. She remind me of that character so bad. Go to candy bag. I ain't see the cake yet. We gonna see the cake. She used. They got a birthday girl. Got money right there. She the one who did the decoration. Come on, little sister right there. And here go her cousin. Say hey, Wendy. It's twin now. It's like this could be your baby. Her cake is so pretty. I love it. It's got candy bags. Woo. Okay, so this is where I gotta do the voiceover because this is kind of where the party was like a blur. Like it went by so fast. So we all took pictures. Everybody came in, took pictures. By that time, it was about time to transfer rooms, and then we were playing games at this point. This is combined footage from both Safari Land and Chuck E. Cheese. So you'll see clips of, you know, both of the events. Yeah, we had a pretty good time. We got on this little roller coaster. Y'all gonna see the reaction from that because we sat in the front seat. My little brother tried to send us off and he tried to renege at the last minute. But I made him get on. So yeah.
It's gonna be smooth, straight. Like, I don't think it's gonna be okay.
This shit gonna be rough as hell.
No, I'm scared now.
No, you scared. No. Day 2, part 2.
Day 2
on my niece's birthday.
Coco B-Day. It's Coco.
It's Coco's birthday, y'all. She 1 year old. So we on our way to the mall because Coco about to take some pictures.
Yes, Coco.
So I could put it in my phone along with booty pictures. Yeah, check back in when we get there. Say hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. Just hey Toto. This is where we used to take all our pictures. Before I found Shooty. My birthday pictures used to be right here. She getting her little touch up. She didn't want to. Coco. Booty, what you talking about over here? Look at Booty already. Already photo bomb. So I'm back again, and right now this is where my niece is taking her pictures. And my niece is so funny, y'all. Like, she was giving us the hardest time. Like, this baby already mean. She like naturally mean. She don't like nobody but her parents. And yes, just trying to get her to smile and do all the extra stuff was just so funny to me. Like, she was just not cracking for anything. But she eventually came around. You see her dancing a little bit in some clips, and then her daddy just, acting goofy with her, and she just cracking all the way up. So y'all go see all of that. But yeah, I just want to chime in because this little girl is so funny. But she is literally a model. She's just natural with it. I love it so bad. Like, look at my freaking niece. She said after all that work I just did, I'm three I do it. Good job. Ooh, look at you. So cute.
Thank you. Finally, you just like me.
So that's pretty much the end of this vlog. That was what happened the last 2 days. It was my niece's birthday. We partied hard. She got a lot of gifts. She had a great time. And I'm glad she did. And now we got these memories to look back on. Happy birthday, Coco. I love you, niece.